Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. In today's video, let's talk about how to make Minecraft in Infinite Craft step by step. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Infinite Craft. So what we're going to drag first is our fire. Follow that with water over here. Let's mix it up together. And let's add another fire to create our engine. Now, let's drag earth over here below. And let's add fire to that to create our lava. And after this, we're going to add water into our lava over here, create stone. Next, we're going to get our wind, put it with our stone over here to get sand. And we're going to combine our sand and engine together to create a very simple sandbox, as you can see. Now, what we're going to get is earth here and wind. See? We're going to combine the two to get dust. And we're going to get earth and dust together to create a planet. Now we're going to combine our planet and sandbox together, and there we go. We are easily able to get our Minecraft in our Infinite Craft. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.